Hey guys, welcome back to Exclusive Autohaus. Check this car. I got a 2012 Opel Astra for you guys today. This one is actually the turbo model. It's done 106,000 Ks. It's nice and original on the outside. It's a good looking car. Factory silver wheels, tint all ready to go. It's all clean on the outside. There's no major damage or anything like that, but you might have a couple of cosmetic marks here and there. A couple light marks just from everyday wear and tear, and of course the age of the vehicle. Otherwise, once again, it's a good looking vehicle, nice and clean, no cracks on the taillights or anything like that. Everything is sort of tidy and where it should be. Once again, it is the turbo model, so you've got an extra bit of pep from the engine. Interior has been kept nicely as well. We've actually just gotten the car detailed, but it has been looked after by the previous owner. I've actually got 2 keys with the car and a full logbook service history. Ready to go. Factory alloy wheels. Plenty of tread on the tires all around. There's no dents or dings down the side of it. No hail damage or anything like that. Of course, we do a full PPSR on all our cars just to make sure that there's no previous write-off history or any odometer rollback. So just try to make sure all the cars are ready to go. Front end is nice and clean. Once again, there's no damage up front or anything like that. Just give you a quick peek at the interior. You've actually got black leather all round, which is in really good nick. It's a non-smoker owner, of course. Just hop in now. So once again, 106 on the clock. You've actually got this cool LED lighting on the inside and on the door panels. Got your books here, but I'll just give it a quick start up now. Starts up nice and easy and actually drives really well. Got your infotainment here. So this isn't actually a touchscreen. You do operate it from the buttons here. But you've actually got front and rear parking sensors, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, all ready to go. You've also actually got heated seats, dual zone climate control. So pretty well loaded. Most recent minor service has also been completed, but you do have the regular servicing throughout the years. All done at Holden. And you got all your manuals here as well. Just give you a quick peek underneath the bonnet. So you've got the Ecotech turbo motor. Once again, runs really nice and smooth. Actually a very good car on the road. Not too bad on fuel as well. As you can see, everything where it should be. Nothing out of place. And there you have it. There's a quick look at our 2012 Opel Astra. Definitely give us a call if you're interested in this one. Happy to organize delivery and finance. And all our cars do come with warranty as well. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon.